their brand, and as you can see, I love the dress. I think it's very, very playful. It's fun, it's frolic, and it's a lot of masti. And I had a great time walking for them because I've known them for a while, and they're great, great boys, both of them. And I'm so happy and proud of both of them because I think their brand is doing so amazingly well. And I got the opportunity to walk for them professionally. I've known them for a while. They've been friends for a while. And yeah, it was a great show. It was great vibe, great energy. I think we all had a blast. And I love their dresses. I've worn their dresses a lot of times at other events. And yeah, I think they're one of my favorite designers. What do I? I think summer is the time where you wear the most minimum amount of clothing. So yeah, it's all about shorts and crop tops and bralettes and all of that for me. My favorite dress. I think the most iconic dress ever in the history of fashion is the Marilyn Monroe dress. I think anybody and everybody, whether whether you know about fashion, you don't know about fashion, but you definitely know that white Marilyn Monroe dress, which flew and she was trying to cover it, and I think that's for me as iconic. Firki, I'm very excited about because it's a very very different film for me. It's a full on commercial masala film, and of course, Neil Nitin Mukesh, and I've got Karan Singh Grover, KK Menon, Jackie Shroff, all of them, and it's been amazing working with them. We finished one schedule in London. Now we're doing the next schedule in Bombay. I think towards the end of the year, October, November is when the film will release. So I'm really really excited about it. I think Jackie Da is the most stylish actor ever. For me, I've known Jackie Da from Hero Panti days because I worked with Tiger. So for me, like I've worked with two members of the family already now, and he's so amazing, so down to earth, so funny, so bindas, and so classy. And also, I think I'm in awe of him because the kind of stuff that he's wearing in Firki, you're going to be blown away. I think he's looking so bloody killer. His look is amazing, and I'm very excited for everyone to see his look in the film. I think I like to do films which are slightly different, which are not your regular, boy meets girl, they fall in love, फिर झगड़ा हो जाता है, and then villain comes, and I don't like doing stuff like that. I like doing stuff which is slightly different. Hence, I think I tend to gravitate a little bit towards thrillers because वो थोड़ी exciting होती है. They keep making you guess till the end what's going to happen, who's the killer, who done it. Although Seven Hours to Go and Firki are very very different films. They might be the same genre, but very very different in terms of their treatment, in terms of their storyline, very different. But yeah, I think I like to do different kind of roles. Like I did a cop in Seven Hours to Go. Now here I'm playing a model. So diametrically opposite because a cop was completely decameraized, strict, simple, very straightforward, independent women. Whereas in Firki, my character is extremely different from Seven Hours to Go. Well, I think it's a difficult time for our country, and in fact not for our country. It's a difficult time for women throughout the world. There's a lot of shit going on, and I hope and wish stuff that's been happening doesn't repeat. I hope government takes some stringent action towards it, which they already are. The laws are being passed for very very strict action towards children between 0 to 13 years of age. I'm so glad that the Modi government is doing something about it, and I hope it continues to keep getting better. Thank you so much.